Have you ever told everyone about something big you wanted to do and then noticed how it slowly faded away? Sometimes, the more we talk about our dreams, the harder they become to reach. In a quiet village lived a young man named Simon. Simon was full of ideas, big ideas. One week, he dreamed of opening a shop. Another week, he wanted to learn pottery. Then he planned to build a house. But Simon had a habit. Before he lifted a finger, he lifted his voice. He walked through the market announcing his plans. People clapped, they smiled, they praised him, and Simon felt good. That night, he slept like a man who had already succeeded. But when morning came, the energy was gone. Days passed, nothing was built, nothing was learned. Then a new idea arrived, and the cycle repeated. Years went by. Simon's words filled the village, but his hands stayed empty. One evening, heavy with shame, he sat by an old well. An elder joined him quietly, a man respected not for his words, but for his life. "My son," the elder asked gently, "why do you look so tired?" Simon sighed. "I have many dreams, but nothing ever changes." The elder listened, then said, "Come with me tomorrow." The next morning, the elder showed Simon two seeds. One was planted quietly in the soil. The other was lifted into the air, shown proudly to everyone. "Look," said the elder aloud, "soon this will become a great tree." The children clapped. Then the seed was placed on a rock. Days passed. The buried seed was watered in silence. No announcements, no praise. Slowly, a green shoot appeared. The seed on the rock dried in the sun. Birds pecked at it. It disappeared. The elder spoke softly. "A seed needs darkness to grow, silence, protection. When you talk about your dreams too early, your mind feels rewarded before the work is done. Praise replaces effort. Words steal energy from action." Simon understood. He had been feeding his ego, not his dreams. That night, Simon chose one small goal, and for the first time, he told no one. He worked quietly. He failed. He learned. He continued. Weeks passed. When the work was finished, the pride he felt was different. It was real, not born from applause, but from effort. From that day on, Simon stayed quiet. He let his work speak, and it spoke loudly. Now ask yourself, how many dreams have you announced too early? How many goals faded because praise came before progress? Protect your dreams. Keep them quiet. Let them grow in the dark soil of effort. When the tree is strong, you won't need to tell anyone. They will see it. Moral: dreams grow through quiet effort, not loud promises. When you protect your goals with silence and steady work, success comes naturally and speaks for itself. Let's learn the meaning of some words in the story. Vocabulary section. Dream: something you strongly hope to achieve. Example: he worked every day to turn his dream into reality. Praise: kind words or approval from others. Example: too much praise made him feel finished before he began. Effort: hard work put into doing something well. Example: real success comes from effort, not talk. Habit: something you do again and again. Example: talking before acting became his habit. Silence: the state of being quiet. Example: he learned that silence helped his dreams grow. Protect: to keep something safe from harm. Example: she chose to protect her plans until they were ready. Failure: when something does not work as planned. Example: failure taught him important lessons. Progress: moving forward step by step. Example: small progress each day led to success. Ego: the part of a person that seeks praise and attention. Example: feeding the ego can stop real growth. Achievement, something important you succeed in doing. Example, his greatest achievement came from quiet work. If this story spoke to you, take a quiet step today toward your own dream. Work in silence, stay consistent, and let results speak for you. Follow and subscribe for more wise, motivating stories that guide the heart and strengthen the mind.